I don't know about you, but this dish, corn casserole, is a staple in the Austin house for Thanksgiving. So we're going to make it for you today so you can make it for your house as well. Because everybody has their stuffing. They all have their green bean casseroles, their sweet potato souffles. But the corn casserole is here to stay. And this one is a good one. So let's cook our corn. First things first, get this bad boy oven up to 400 degrees. So that's preheating behind me. Now we're going to mix in everything we need to mix from the ingredients list. It's going to be in the description below. So if you're scrambling thinking you're going to miss it, you won't. It's going to be in the description. So don't stress. Let's mix this bad boy up. All right, we got our Jiffy corn muffin mix. We're going to mix this all the way in here. Then we're going to throw in some sugar. And then we're going to take our whisk and we're going to go ahead and just mix this about till the clumps are gone. That's what you want to do. See how it's a little clumpy right there? You don't want that in there. So we're just going to mix that bad boy up. Get those clumps out of there. We're not going to get too aggressive with it. Just no clumpy McClumperson. You got to get all the clumps out of there. Make sure it's good to go. So this should take you a few seconds. As you can see, we're doing it live. There's no cuts in our editing. So that's mixed there. We're good to get all these clumpy clumps out of there. And hey, leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys cook for your house and what is your #1 staple. Corn casserole here at Big Puffin's home is the way to go. All right, now we're going to swap bowls. We're going to go ahead, get to this bowl. We're going to do a couple things here. We got 2 eggs. I got chickens. So this is going to be 2 fresh eggs from my roost. So we're going to do egg there, and we're going to do egg here. Easy enough. Then we're going to melt some butter. We're going to pour that bad boy in. Then we got our salt, pepper, paprika, everything under the sun. We're going to pour that bad boy in. Then we got our milk. So we're going to take our milk and we're going to whisk this together. So we're going to go ahead and pour it in. It's our heavy whipping cream or our milk, whichever it is. Which one is it? Both. It's our mixture of heavy whipping cream and milk. We're going to pour that gently in as we're whisking everything together. So let's make sure we're good to go there. You can see the clumps are gone. You want to make sure you get a good whisk on it. Get it all dialed in there. Don't be stranger. Use that forearm. Get that struggle in there. You're strong enough. You got it. Easy enough. We're taking shape. We got the yellow color. Look at that. That's good. All right. Now, we got a couple more things to mix in. We're going to go ahead and mix in our cream corn sweet style Del Monte, whatever brand you want to do. But let's going to pour that bad boy in. Now, that ain't enough. No, we need more corn. You want to take frozen corn and you want to thaw it for a while, and then you want to pour it in here with this. Yeah, get that roasted sweet corn. Got whole corn kernel. We got a good mixture here. And now you're going to mix this in. Your arm's going to get tired, guys. But you're going to do it all at once here. You're going to mix it all together. This is a real simple, easy recipe for Thanksgiving. I'm telling you, you're going to love it. All right, so now we're going to switch bowls back to our bigger bowl, and we're going to pour it all in here together. Look, if I don't drop it. All right, look at that. Oh, yeah. That's good. That's some yummy stuff right there. Now we're going to mix it with our Jiffy and our sugar. And then we're going to put it in our bowl because our oven's 400 degrees behind us. Now on the baking sheet, you're going to want to make sure you pre-butter this bad boy so it doesn't stick. It's real simple. Take a stick of butter like you were a child and put it all over that thing, like color it like finger paint. And relive that journey in kindergarten. All right, let's got our baking dish. We got it all greased up like I talked about earlier, and we're going to pour our mixture in. So we're going to go ahead, get that nice and easy in there. Get it all even. We'll make it even too. There we go. There we go. That's the secret, guys. There we go. Get it all nice and even in there. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to put it in our oven for about 50 to 60 minutes. Then we're going to pull it out and enjoy our feast. It's all mixed. Now let's put it in our oven. Remember, 400 degrees for 45 to 55 minutes. So let's put it in. All right, let's put it in 400 degrees, 45, 55 minutes. Not burn our hand off. There we go. 45 minutes is up, and now it's time to pull her out. Oh my gosh, it looks good. It looks like I did it right. If yours looks like this, then you did it right. Let's pull it out. Put it on our counter. Don't burn ourselves. Yummy, yummy. Now we're going to let that sit for about 5-10 minutes. Let that settle. We're going to cut up some chives right over here. All right, let's get some chives cut up. Put them right on top. So let's cut this off. We're going to move it over here like that. And then let's go. Chop them up. Get nice and fresh chives. Don't cut your hand off. We're going to sprinkle these right on top of our corn casserole. Nice little garnish. It's a little sexy. Little color. Looks good. Those are all chopped. Now we're going to sprinkle it on top. All right, sprinkle these bad boys on. Get a nice little color there. Adds a little flavor on that chive piece. There we go. Yummy, yummy. Eating time. Best part of the video, when you get to eat the actual food. We can smell it the whole time. And corn casserole, as I said earlier, is one of our favorites. So let's try this bad boy. Oh, it looks so good. You get the roasted corn in there too. It's a little warm. Mmm. It's so sweet, but savory. It's so good. You guys got to try this one. But hey, if you like recipes like this, go ahead and click or touch the screen now, and I'll catch you in the next cook. Thanks.